Go tsogile dikgogakgogano magareng ga mekgatlo ya badudi le kgoro ya matlotlo ge lenaneo la go fokotša ditekanyetšo le tšwela pele. Mekgatlo e ikemetšego e bolela gore ditekanyetšo di paletšwe go šireletša bašomi, bahloki le baamogedi ba ditšhelete tša mphiwa fela.
We have seen relatively consistent increases in expenditure, but not concomitant increases in economic growth, which suggests to us that we don't have a funding problem, we have a spending problem. And it's really the composition of our spending and where that goes that's the problem, as opposed to how much we spend.
Kgosatu le ba Budget Justice Coalition ba re ditekanyetšo di paletšwe makga a mabedi go lwa le bosenyi le go emiša taba ya bašomi bao ba lahlegelwago ke mošomo.
And I think for us, Chair, the way the budget fails dismally is not addressing the fundamental causes of the fiscal crisis, which is that we lose 10% or 150 billion rand to corruption wasteful expenditure every year. There's no consequences. In the previous year's budget, Mpumalanga alone lost 12 billion rand on this basis. No consequence. We lose billions to tax and customs evasion and illicit outflows. We're not sufficiently resourcing SARS to tackle it. We lose billions because we have to save the SOEs, which have been run into the ground by incompetent management and corruption. And of course, Chair, the real issue, a stagnant economy with rising retrenchments and company closures. And for us, those are the things which the budget needed to tackle and which it didn't tackle.
This budget limits the scope for a humane, caring state by proposing further cuts to already pitiful public resources for social services. It entrenches the interests of corporate, profit-driven patterns of economic growth that prioritize the needs of the richest 1% through tax rebates and cuts.
Beke ya go feta tona ya matlotlo Tito Mboweni o šireleditše ditekanyetšo tša ngwaga wa 2021.